Hey y'all, it's Meso baby. You sneaked up on me, but you're always welcome. So come on into my kitchen today and I'm going to show you how to make something delicious. Simple, quick and easy. Gonna be good though, always gonna be good. Let's get started. What do we have here? Oh my, look at this. Yeah, these are my bacon and egg and Gruyere cheese bites. Let's get started on it. So I have here 10 eggs. I have some cottage cheese. And here I have some mozzarella cheese. Now this is Gruyere cheese. This is a beautiful, beautiful cheese. And I have some bacon that I've already crisped up and I've crumbled them up. Crumbled? Yeah. This is my asparagus. I've cut some up and put them in the microwave just to cook them. So we're getting started. I got my Ninja here and I got my eggs down in the Ninja and I am getting in my Gruyere cheese. I'm not going to be stingy about it. I'm going to put as much cheese in here as I like. I'm putting my mozzarella in and my cottage cheese. You can use other cheeses. You don't have to use Gruyere. You can use cheddar, but why would you, honey? The Gruyere is so good. I just put some kosher salt in and some black pepper. I'm going to put just a very few little red pepper flakes and a little more Gruyere. So yeah, now I've got it going, honey. I'm just going to whirl, whirl, whirl. I want to get air incorporated into these eggs so they can be fluffy and, as my grandkids say, puffy. So look at this pan that I've got here. I love it because it's a little bit unique. Instead of the round muffin tins, you've got the square muffin tins, and it makes a really cute product, whatever you're cooking in them. I put some bacon down in the bottom of these pans. And I'm coming back and I'm filling up with eggs, and anything that didn't fill correctly, I'm going to go back and try to adjust it to make them all be about the same size. Now I'm coming back again with more bacon right on top, honey. Do any of y'all ever get enough bacon? Is there such thing as too much bacon? Well, maybe I better stop. Not. And this is my asparagus. So they are beautiful, and I took them and I microwaved them in the microwave. But before that, I had chopped them up. And this is a great way that you're going to get veggies into your family, honey. Sometimes they don't want to eat asparagus. They think it tastes weird. But you know what? The taste of these asparagus in this egg mixture, I want you to try it because it doesn't taste asparagus-y. Is that a word? Or, I mean, it doesn't taste asparagus-like. And you'll get these vegetables into your family. They'll love it. I've had people to ask me, are these green beans? Is this pepper? But you can put any kind of vegetable you want in there. You could use broccoli. You could use some shredded up carrots, chopped up broccoli, just whatever you want. But try this asparagus. You won't be going wrong, honey. They'll love it. Never ask you what, they may ask you what it is, but they'll never figure out what it is. It's so good in here. So we're going to get this asparagus in as much as we want. Put a little bit here and there, a little bit more, a little bit more. Yeah. I'm gonna load them up on vegetables this morning. This is also good for brunch. It's good for lunch. And I make some and freeze them. And then they can pop them out and eat them in the morning as they go to school, go to work, wherever they're going. And they just make perfect, instead of buying all those expensive ones that you can get in the store, all those breakfast items, just keep them in your freezer. Now, you can put a little more cheese on top of this. I am not, because I put a lot of cheese on the inside of it. So I'm just going to come back over and sprinkle a little paprika on top, baby, just to give them a little color, just to give them a little look. I'm going to put a little, now you put whatever you want in yours, paprika or cheese or both, honey. You can do that. Yeah. Oh, looking good. Yeah, I like the way they're looking now. So I'm going to take mine. They're ready. I'm going to put them into a waiting 350 degree preheated oven. And I'm going to keep them here and let them bake. Maybe from your up, try 15. Keep an eye on them after 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. Maybe 25 in some ovens. Look, I've got them out. You see they're so fluffy. One of them is almost popping out. While you weren't looking, I went ahead and made some angel biscuits, baby, and angel biscuits they are. I made them, I got them on the plate, and I'm just cutting up now, putting more butter on them. I already opened one and put butter inside, and so you see the butter oozing down on the plate? Yeah. So this is just extra stuff right here. This is over the top. This is just overkill. This is just too much right here. But it's butter, honey, so you can't go wrong. Now let's taste these guys. Bacon, Gruyere cheese, eggs. Oh man, I want to show you something here. Just want to show you for a minute. Oh, these are fluffy. As I said, my grandkids call them puffy. You want yours to be fluffy puffy. Look at that bacon. Look at that asparagus. Mm. Mm. Oh, happy day. And look at my biscuit here. You see how flaky it is on the inside? I put butter in it already. Let me break off just a little piece after I show you this. Y'all guys, this recipe is right here on my channel. Look for angel biscuits. Meso making it angel biscuits. And I'm going to go ahead and bite off this one because I don't want nobody to come and steal my plate while I am finishing up with you guys. They can eat some right off the platter. Look at that. See that asparagus? Good, 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 good. Man, y'all get some of this. Make some of this in your house. Make some of this for your own family, honey. They'll call you a kitchen rock star. I thank you guys for coming by to check on me. Yeah, that gets a thumbs up, honey. I thank you for checking on me and seeing what I was doing. You knew I'd be throwing down, and I hope I did not disappoint. I want you to give me a big old thumbs up on my video. I think it's a like button or a thumbs up button, but hit it, hit it, hit it. I need that. Okay, and also guys, if you're subscribed to me already, I want to thank you, and I want to remind you, I hope you hit the notification bell. That way you're reminded every time, or you're notified every time I put up a new video. If you have not subscribed, what you're waiting on, honey, come on and hit that red subscribe button, and also hit the bell right beside it. That bell, parentheses are going to come around the bell, and that's going to let you know that you are going to be notified every time I put up a new video. You will know about it. I want you to also share my videos wherever you're active on social media. That'll help me a lot. As I said, thumbs up or like, hit the like button. And most of all, I want you to leave me some comments. I read each and every one. Sometimes I'm up at night with my eyes burning, falling asleep, still reading comments. I can't answer them all, but I try. Let me know how you enjoyed the recipe, how it turned out. It makes me feel so good to know that. Hey, guess what, guys? I am now on other platforms. I am on Instagram, where I'm Meso Making It. I am on TikTok, where I'm also Meso Making It. I'm on Facebook, Meso Making It. And there I want you to talk to me and upload some pictures of the foods that you make. Any of my recipes, you make them, upload them and show them to me. Let me see how yours turned out. And also, guess what? I am even on the Twitters, honey. Yes, right. You can find Meso on the Twitters. So happy about it. Guys, I want to thank you again for coming by, checking on me. I want to give you some marching orders right here. As you go forth, honey, be good to somebody, but first be good to yourself. Love yourself, love somebody, cook them some food. Yeah, love them by cooking them some food. All right, bye-bye. Do that, y'all.